Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your device runs Android 9, 0 or newer, and you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once done, open Google Play or install F-Droid if you prefer open source stores. This matters because official builds are vetted. You will allow storage and network permissions during install, so enable them now. This speeds the process and avoids interruptions. Now search for Tor Browser and tap Install. The download will start immediately, and you'll see progress in the notification. After installation, launch Tor Browser and follow the on-screen setup. You'll tap Connect to build a Tor circuit. This can take a few seconds to a minute depending on network conditions. Make sure to review and accept required permissions so the browser can cache data and connect reliably. Then open the security settings and choose Standard, Safer, or Safest, depending on the balance you want between functionality and safety. Once configured, test by visiting the Tor check page to confirm you're on the network. To finalize, pin Tor Browser to your home screen and disable any battery optimizer that may kill background connections. This preserves Tor circuits. Make sure auto updates are enabled so you receive security fixes. Tor updates patch vulnerabilities. If you run into connection issues, don't panic. Retry Connect, switch to a bridge in settings if your network blocks Tor, or toggle airplane mode and reconnect. One key troubleshooting tip. If pages load slowly, clear site data and rebuild the circuit to force a fresh path through the network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.